Everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to cook blueberry pearl cake in Heartopia. So right now Heartopia has a new oven that called Wheels oven, and then in this oven you can cook any new special food, and one of them is this blueberry pearl cake. And then to cook or to unlock this blueberry pearl cake recipe is very easy. First, just go to your Tidal stove. You must have this stove. You can just craft it first, and if you don't know how to craft it yet, you can just check the tutorials at the Heartopia playlist. I already make the tutorial about to craft this stove. And then after that, just tap your stove, your Tidal stove. Just use this seashell pearl cake recipe, this one, the original pearl cake recipe. You can get this pearl cake after you completing the quest from NPC Massimo. And then after that, just complete all the ingredients. You just need scallop, that you can get the scallop from the oceans cleanup hobby, and then you need wheat, that you can get it from the gardening hobby, and then in here you need milk, that you can buy it from the NPC Massimo, and then you need the blueberry, that you can get this blueberry, that you can farm it near your house. And then after that, just tap start cooking like this. And okay, just like that, you will successfully unlock or cook this blueberry pearl cake recipe. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.